Hello, my friend. I came here to view this place. I by myself, so environment is like this. This one, this house. Let's come inside. It's about 4:30 p.m. and Monday. You have your own storage and boiler room and washing machine is there. Your neighbor's house. Neighbor. Okay. Let's come inside. I've been here already to take some pictures. So left hand is the main bedroom. And this one, bathroom. And it's me with a shirt. I wear white shirt. Some people says white look good on me. That's a good compliment because I used to be a government officer and normally I wear formal suit when I went to work. Okay, now I don't need to. This is the second bedroom. Behind this window, the storage where washing machine is there, where washing machine is, and this regular size kitchen, but no place to put kitchen table in the kitchen area, so the current tenant use this one for kitchen or something like that. Kitchen put living. It seems the previous tenant used this one for living room and that one for the bedroom, I guess, if I'm not wrong. So the ceiling looks okay because I don't see any mold. What is this dehumidifier? Tile looks okay. There's no black print. I don't doubt any mold issue, but I'm not sure. Apparently it looks like that. There's the there's the air conditioner. Two windows. This part should be fixed. I don't know if the landlord will change all the wallpaper or not. This is east facing. Not that bright. So let me see. Oh, I spent already 3 minutes. Regularly, I do a video for 3 minutes. Okay. Then, it's a small place. I don't need to spend too much time. Let's look through the lattice. Washing machine is there. Can you see it? I stretched my arm through the bars. I wonder why they put the bars here. Thank you very much, skinny man. Thank you very much.